Hi everybody! Today we're celebrating the Chinese Dragon Boat Festival. And today we'll be making 粽子, or Chinese sticky rice dumplings. Now I understand in China they enjoy several different types of flavors of 粽子. And in the north they enjoy eating sweet, and in the south eating salty 粽子. So hopefully today we'll get a chance to make both of them. Hello everyone! Currently in China, it's the Dragon Boat Festival, where people are celebrating the dragon boat race, 粽子 making, and of course, sachet making, whereby Chinese herbs are placed into bags to ward off insects during the season. Today, we'll be joining Professor Peng, an expert in this subject matter, to help us understand this process a little better. So this is our final product, our self-made herbal sachets. Yeah. Hello everybody, today we're at Meilan Lake where we'll be competing in a dragon boat race against several other universities. It's a real pleasure being here and hopefully we can claim a victory. So 3, 2, 1, go JI! One, two, one, two, one, two, one.